Hello everyone, we students of GRIT have done a mini project on a data mining concept called design of a Navy Bayesian classifier. The members involved in this project are Sai Venkatesh, Arun Kumar, Sharat Chandra, Prabhat Ashish and Anshul Jain under the guidance of our Honorable HOD and Project Coordinator Dr. N. Sandhya. A Navy Bayesian classifier is responsible for classifying various types of files into their respective categories based on the words contained in the file. It can be trained very efficiently in a supervised learning setting. In many practical applications, parameter estimation for Navy-based models use the method of maximum likelihood. In other words, one can work with the Navy-based model without accepting Bayesian probability or using any Bayesian methods. We make use of Bayes conditional probability. The probability of the events A and B to occur is the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. The algorithm used in the design of this classifier is as follows. The accuracy of this classifier is calculated using the formula accuracy equal to number of hits divided by the total number of files, where a hit is an event that occurs when the given input file matches the category to which it belongs. The Navy Bayesian classifier has an accuracy of 86% approximately. The software requirements are Windows 7 or XP or 2003 or 2008 operating systems and JDK version 1.6. The hardware requirements are 233 MHz Pentium processor, 1 GB RAM and 30 GB hard disk. Scope. Despite the fact that the far-reaching independence assumptions are often inaccurate, the Navy Bayesian classifier has several properties that make it surprisingly useful in practice. In particular, the decoupling of the class conditional feature distributions means that each distribution can be independently estimated as a one-dimensional distribution. This helps alleviate problems stemming from the curse of dimensionality, such as the need for datasets that scale exponentially with the number of features. Coming to the limitations, one of the major limitations of this classifier is that it assumes independence of features. And this classifier proves to be ineffective if the input files contain the words that are not present in the training data. Conclusion. Navy Bayesian classifier is a very efficient classifier as it has an accuracy of 87% approximately. It has some limitations but they can be nullified before its advantages. It doesn't work if the given input file does not contain the words in training data. Thank you.